Welcome to GK at Tamosri. What was the name of military operation launched by Pakistan against India in May 2025? A. Operation Sindoor. B. Operation Thunder. B. Operation Banyan Marsus. D. Operation Vijay. A. Operation Banyan Marsus. A conflict escalated on 10th May. Pakistan launched its operation in which it said it has targeted several Indian military bases. Who has been appointed as the chairman of BRICS, Chamber of Commerce and Industry? A. Rajiv Khanna. B. Anil Mehta. C. Suresh Iyer. D. Harvinder Chawla. Harvinder Chawla is the founder and managing partner of K.R. Chawla & Co. Advocates, has been appointed as the new chairman of BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Which company launched the AI First India 2025 Startup Accelerator to support AI-driven startups? A. Amazon. B. Google. C. Microsoft. D. Yahoo. B. Google has launched its AI First Accelerator in India to support emerging AI startups, offering mentorship tools and funding access until 30th June 2025. In which place Adani Enterprises has launched India's first hydrogen-powered mining truck? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Madhya Pradesh. C. Chhattisgarh. Adani Groups has launched India's first hydrogen-powered mining truck, a significant step towards sustainable logistics. The truck, deployed in Chhattisgarh, replaced diesel truck with a hydrogen fuel cell system, and it can carry 40 tons of cargo over 20 km range. This initiative aimed to reduce emissions, noise pollution, and reliance on fossil fuels. Which state or union territory topped the medal table of the first Khelo India Beach Games 2025? A. Puducherry. B. Manipur. C. Nagaland. D. Maharashtra. A. Manipur topped the Khelo India Beach Games 2025 medal table with 5 gold, 6 silver and 3 bronze. On which university did the Trump admission impose a ban on foreign student admission? A. MIT. B. Stanford University. C. Harvard University. D. Yale University. C. Harvard University. US President Donald Trump's administration has blocked Harvard University's ability to enroll international students, according to the Department of Homeland Security. Where was the world's largest aerospace-grade titanium unit inaugurated? A. Chennai. B. Mumbai. C. Lucknow. D. Hyderabad. C. Lucknow. The world's largest aerospace-grade titanium remelting facility was inaugurated in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, India. The facility, operated by Aerolite Technologies, a subsidiary of PTC Industry, is a part of India's first strategic materials technology complex. What interest rate has the Indian government retained on employees' provident fund deposits for financial year 2024-25? A. 7.5%. B. 8.5%. C. 7.25%. D. 8.25%. D. 8.25%. The Indian government has retained the interest rate on employees' provident fund deposits at 8.25% for the financial year 2024-25. This is the same rate as the previous financial year 2023-24. The Central Board of Trustees of the EPFO recommended this rate. The Ministry of Finance has ratified it. The decision benefits over 7 crore salaried employees in India. Who has been appointed as the new brand ambassador for Audi India? A. MS Dhoni. B. Neeraj Chopra. C. Ranveer Singh. D. Virat Kohli. B. Neeraj Chopra. Indian Olympic gold medalist Neeraj Chopra has partnered with the German vehicle manufacturer Audi India He has partnered with Audi India as the new brand ambassador and posed with the Oris Q8 performance, confirming the association. Who holds the world's record to climb the Mount Everest 31 times? A. Kenton Cole. B. Kamirita Sherpa. C. Pasrang Sherpa. D. Purba Sherpa. B. Kamirita Sherpa has famed Nepali mountain guide completed his 31st climb of Mount Everest, breaking his own record for the most successful trip of the mountain's peak. For more than 30 years, aged 55, has helped climbers for all over the world to reach the top of the mountain. Answer for last video was 84th rank. In the Economic Freedom of the World's Report 2024, India is ranked 84th out of 165 countries. This represents an improvement from its 87th position in the previous year report. The report, published by Fraser Institute, assesses countries based on the degree of economic freedom to the people enjoy. The video is available on iCloud. Indian Army inaugurated its first community radio station, Ponchal Pulse, in which place? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and stay connected for more videos.